Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog DNA test kits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research. I have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Wisdom Health DNA Kit. If you're looking for a detailed, reliable dog DNA test that also covers health, this kit is a solid bet for getting to know your dog inside and out. Using the Wisdom Health DNA, kit felt simple right from the start. The instructions walked us through collecting the sample, and our dog didn't fuss about the swab. We got the results faster than we expected, which kept us curious. The breed report was super detailed. Even tiny breed mixes down to 1% showed up. We finally understood why our dog acts the way she does. Some of her quirks actually matched up with the genes listed in the report. The health screening really stood out too. It flagged important stuff to watch for, and while we checked with our vet about a few things, having that info early felt like a win. If you want more than just breed info, this kit is easy to trust. At number 4, we have the Wisdom Panel DNA Kit. We like this kit for anyone wanting detailed and mostly accurate insight into their dog's breed and health risks. This kit really impressed us with how many breeds it covers and the level of detail in the report. It even picked up tiny parts of our dog's breed mix, which helped us understand her health needs better. Collecting the swabs was quick and didn't bother our dog. The prepaid return label made mailing it back easy, but waiting for the results did test our patience a bit. When the results finally came, we got a clear breakdown of breed percentages and a family tree going back 3 generations. The info about medication sensitivities felt super useful for future vet visits. At number 3, we have the Embark DNA Kit. Embark is a great pick for anyone who wants a deep dive into their dog's breed history and family connections. We found Embark easy to use. Swabbing our dog's cheek was quick and painless. We mailed it off and got results in about 3 weeks, just as promised. The breed report gave us a clear look at our dog's ancestry, even listing great-grandparent breeds. The relative finder was a fun surprise. We found distant dog relatives we never expected. Customer service helped us out fast when we had questions. It's not the cheapest kit, but with the level of detail and solid support, it's worth it for dog owners who want the full story. At number 2, we have the Basepaws Dog DNA Kit. Basepaws is a good pick if you want to dig into your dog's breed mix and health risks in detail. Swabbing was quick and easy, so doing it at home was no problem. The test goes beyond just breed ID, giving a detailed health risk report that helped us plan care for our dog. Waiting for results felt long, but the info was worth it. Lots of details about our dog's unique traits and possible genetic concerns. It gave us a better idea of what to expect as our dog ages. Breed results were mostly accurate, but some percentages seemed off. Still, the extra health info makes this kit a solid choice. And finally, at number 1, we have the DNA My Dog. DNA My Dog is a good pick for folks who want a quick, accurate breed breakdown without spending a ton. We liked how easy it was to use. Just swab your dog's cheek and mail it back with the prepaid label. The process was straightforward. Most of the time, results landed in the 2 to 3 week window. The online report was detailed and easy to read. Learning about breed-specific health risks and personality traits helped us understand our dog better. Sometimes the turnaround was slow, and a few people had trouble registering the kit online. Still, for the price and accuracy, this test is a solid value, especially for mixed breed dogs. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.